Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joe. Today is February the 25th. I'll be talking a little bit about Churchill Capital, ticker symbol CCIV. This is a blank check for those who don't know. Recently merged with Lucid Motors. I'll be talking a little bit about Lucid and why I think this is a potential company to have in your watch list. Myself, I'll have it probably in my portfolio in the next few days. I'm just waiting for the perfect price to get in. Around $25. That's what I'm looking at currently, and if not, I'll just get my position built, and then I'll average down over time. So I'm planning to substitute it with Li Auto. I have several EV companies, Tesla, Neo, and Li Auto. So I'll be removing Li Auto and substituting it with Lucid. Let's talk a little bit about the company, and I'll talk also more about what Lucid has to offer and why I think it's kind of a good buy from my opinion. And you can just have it in your watch list and see if you're interested in. So far today they're up by about 4%. For the week they're down by about 50.32%. This is the classic buy the rumor, sell the news, because as soon as the merger was confirmed, the stock tanked by almost 50%. For the month it's up by about 11%. 3 months up by about 205%. For the year 191%. So let's look at the stats real quick. So you can see it opened 29.74. It had a high of 32.38. So one thing also you have to remember, there's a lot of stuff going on with GameStop and AMC, like we did several weeks. So that may also affect some of these plays. So I'm hoping I can have the price go down a little bit so that I can build my position. As I said, we have a current market cap at 11.6 billion, and what most people agree is Lucid is almost where Tesla was like 10 years ago. And since it's a US company, I think it makes it even more lucrative. Their pricing is a little bit way up there, but like any other company, you have to start high with economies of scale. When you ramp up production, then you produce more models, and then your costs will go down. But we'll talk a little bit about the details in a short while. Quick reminder, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. Always consult with a professional and do your own due diligence, and just don't listen to somebody from YouTube with your investment decisions. Also subscribe to the channel if you like the content of this video. Give it a thumbs up so that we can grow the channel even faster. Thank you so much for just the support you've shown with the channel, engaging in the comment section, talking about your trades, also asking questions. I really appreciate that. So let's grow this channel together and let's continue. So you can see this is a blank check, like I mentioned, and a few things I need to talk about Lucid is they've done pretty well in the last 13 years. They've been just testing and running tests, and now they're almost done with the battery tech, which I think they logged 20 million miles and accumulated data, which now they use to expand their production for battery. They have this Atieva technology which is used in some of the electric car races, and that was actually built in-house in their factories. Also, they have the Dream Drive system, which has like 32 sensors on the car, and that is pretty commendable. The tech is way up there, and I will say they are really a big competitor for Tesla. Even though Tesla is ways ahead, I think they can get there. I think they have like a 300 kilowatt battery, and they also are talking about fast charging, and they also have battery storage, like the same technology they use on the car. They do that for fast charging, as well as the storage like Tesla has with the power walls. So they have that, which they will have for home and commercial use. And also they're talking about having this technology in aviation, marine, agriculture, because they feel like the technology stack can be used by third-party OEMs like Toyotas and Audis of the world. And that's kind of like a big deal because if other companies using your technology, that's also a source of revenue for the company. So I think that's something you have to consider when reviewing this stock, and we can talk much later on an update once I make the purchase for the stocks, because now I'll be more invested. I'll have skin in the game, so I'll even be looking at the analysis of the stock. Since the stock is not so old, you can only come and read the stats from a few months, and you can't really make definitive decisions because with that huge drop a few days ago, it's kind of hard to really map out some things, but you can almost get a good percentage of accuracy when reviewing the stats. And then also another thing they have is the retail studio locations, just like Neo, that experience that they provide in their retail locations. This company is also going that route. Since it's a luxury vehicle, I think one thing they're showcasing is how they're look into the details of the finished product. I know Tesla, a lot of people have been complaining about the panels and all that, and it sounds like these people kind of are aware if somebody's paying more than 100k for a car, it has to be like perfect. So we are waiting to see the production. I think the phase 2 of the plant will be finished next year. They're done with phase 1 in Arizona, so EU, Asia coming the next year or so. And I think personally, I think these guys are the real deal. So check them out. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Are you planning to buy CCIV? I'm sure the ticker symbol is going to change. I haven't checked the date yet, but as soon as I have that information, I'll also update you. Let's talk about the company in the comment section. Let's engage. Let's talk about the risks, because every company has a risk. This company has so many risks also, I can see, because most people think that people won't be able to pay a lot of money for this luxury car, and also competition, other electric vehicles are coming up. So how will they stack up? So let's discuss in the comment section. Thank you so much for reaching this far. I really appreciate it. Be green, be safe. See you on the next one.